A very good day to you and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to have a look at Whisper AI. Now what Whisper AI does is it takes speech and it turns it into text. And the wonderful thing about this technology is that it is very, very accurate. Now there are two ways you can do it. You can go ahead and you can install it onto your computer. However, there is a better way. We are going to jump into a Google Drive. Now, if you don't have Google Drive, it's completely free to download. Once you're in, you can go onto the left-hand side and tap New. Once you've tapped New, you can go all the way down to the bottom where it says More and open up that window. And then you can say Connect More Apps. Now, it'll take you to the screen where you can connect more apps to your Google Drive. And the wonderful thing is you don't need a large hard drive or a crazy computer to be able to do this. You can just download it straight to your Google Drive and use it straight from there. Now, once you're there, you can tap the search bar and you can type in Google Colab, and the name of the app we're going to be using is Google Collaboratory, and that is what it looks like. On the left hand side is a big C and a big O. And then all you do is tap install. Now remember, this is not going to install onto your computer. In actual fact, it is going to install onto your Google Drive. Once you tap continue, you'll have to sign in again and it'll start the installation. And there you go. Very quick, very easy. So let us just say okay. And then we are going to say done. And then this little window you can actually close. Now, if you have a look at your drive, on the left hand side, if you tap new and go down to more, you will actually find Google Collaboratory in there. And let's open it up. Now it will open up in a new window, so you can always jump back to your Google Drive as is. Right, and this is what your page looks like. Now, before we do anything else, there is something that you need to do in your settings. So on the top of your page, it says File, Edit, View, Insert, Runtime Tools, Help. Runtime, and then you tap Change Runtime Type. Now, the reason we're doing this is because the hardware accelerator we're going to change to GPU, which is the graphics card. Now, the reason for this is because in actual fact, graphics cards run these type of applications very, very efficiently. Right, so once we've done that, on the top of the page, we can actually change our title there so we can easily find it. So we are going to say that this is sample audio, and you can just hit enter, and there you go. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this Google Colab to actually install Whisper. So what we're going to do is, once you tap there, I'm going to enter some code. I'm going to leave this code in the description so that you can use it. And we are going to tap the little play sign on the left hand side that says run cell. And this will take just a few seconds to install Whisper. And there you go. It has now installed Whisper AI onto your Google Drive. So what you can do now is on the left hand side, there are 3 lines. You can tap that. It says table of contents. And once that is opened, there is a files icon. You can tap that. Now, once that has been added, what you can do from here is you can upload your audio files from here, and then you will be able to transcribe them. So let's do that right now. I'm going to take this file and I'm going to drag and drop onto this Google Colab panel on the left hand side. And it says ensure that your files are saved elsewhere. And we're going to just say okay. And what it is doing right now is it is actually uploading the file. Now, while it's doing that, we are going to tap the plus sign where it says code in the middle of the screen, and basically that will give us another window to be able to enter our audio file so that we can transcribe. And there you go. After a few minutes, it will have uploaded your file. So there it is on the left hand side, and you can see that that was 27 meg. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually insert some more code here, and this is what it looks like. So basically it's going to ask you to enter your file name in here, and it is very important to enter it in exactly the way that it is actually written there. So that is genmo.m4a, and then what it's going to do is it is going to choose a model for you. You can choose a model in another section, and then you can choose the language, and that's the .en for English. And on the left hand side you can say run cell. Basically what it's doing now is it is taking the audio, it is extracting the audio, and it is putting it into text format. And what you will see on the left hand side is it'll give you 4 different formats that it has been saved in. And so these different formats will either give you the timestamp, and then it'll also give you the plain text, so you can actually copy that file and use it wherever you need to use it. On each file there is the 3 dots that you can just open up, and you can either rename, delete, you can copy the path, refresh, or you can download your file. And just remember to download your files, because once you've closed this, nothing will be saved. Once this session is closed, nothing here is saved. So make sure, please, to save your text files after you have transcribed them. And there we go, ladies, gentlemen. Enjoy this bit of technology. It's actually mind-blowing. It's really, really good. And explore again, try different things, have a look at all that it has to offer, and try and get the best out of it. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time for some more crazy AI software. Bye for now.